So here's Premiere Pro. I start the playback and the playback is not fluent, it's skipping. Okay, and in Task Manager on the GPU, we have two GPUs, GPU 0 and GPU 1. That means that the Radeon, that's the onboard graphics card of the laptop, is also enabled. It's a Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. Those are missing already. So two of them are shown here, but the Radeon, the weaker one, is set as default. And when this is set as default, for some reason, the RTX 3060 is almost entirely used. And playback is skipping. Now let's restart the computer. Restart. And I will press F2 to enter into BIOS. So F2. Now press it a few times until you see something on the screen. F2 is being pressed to enter BIOS. Okay, now this is a simplified version. For more settings you have to press that more settings button. So dynamic graphics, that's the Radeon, the onboard graphics card, and discrete graphics, that's the NVIDIA 3060. RTX 3060 is mentioned here also, and there's the Radeon also on that AMD processor. So dynamic is that Radeon card, and in Task Manager it's showing both of them. How do I move it sideways? It's moving up and down. So use the touchpad and go to Discrete Graphics and exit. Save and exit. Now the laptop is restarted. Now don't press anything, let it enter into Windows. Now Windows started, Premiere Pro is started also. And let's check the Task Manager. Now it's showing only GPU 0, not GPU 0 and GPU 1. So that's the NVIDIA RTX 3060. And playback in Premiere Pro is fluent, it's not skipping. Let's go even further ahead, play, and the video is fluent. Video card is used 50-60% and playback is not skipping. So try to use the dedicated video card and not the one which is on the processor. When the dynamic graphics card is started, then it's showing two of them and playback is skipping. When the discrete graphics card is selected, then it's showing only one and playback is fluent.